I cut it. I cut it. I cut it. I did it. Today, I'm cutting my hair. I'm going to be trying the wolf cut, the little TikTok haircut. Pray for me. Right about now, I'm going to wash it because my hair is nasty, tangled. It's nasty, it's just nasty, just nasty. You guys are going to watch me lose my mind while I cut my hair. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this turns out great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, something. I don't know. But yeah. I'll be back. Let's get this started. This is how long my hair is. So what I'm doing, I'm literally just detangling my hair. The video said, oh wait, if you don't know, I'm doing the wolf cut. I've seen it on YouTube a bunch. It's from like TikTok or something like that. I look crazy. Anyway, yeah, so we're doing that. I'm gonna insert like a video that I saw right somewhere on the screen so you guys can actually see it. But yeah, I'm literally just brushing my hair all forward. Yo, okay, so what you want to do is put your ponytail all the way at the top of your head. I'm scared. Like, oh, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Relax, relax, relax. Now what I'm going to do is just make sure this is all detangled. Like, all of it is detangled. And then I'm going to put, oh, here was nothing. I'm going to figure out where I want this to go. Ooh. Okay, I think I want to cut like, honestly I want to cut like this much. No, that's too much. I think I'm going to cut like this much. But first of all, I need a trim anyway, so. Here goes nothing. Here goes. Seriously, am I really about to do this? Like, is this really about to happen right now? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. Oh. What am I doing? What am I doing? Hiani, what are you doing? Oh my god. First of all, I have so much hair. Like, I have so much hair, number one. We're almost through. Y'all, I cut it. I cut it. I cut it. I did it. Oh my gosh. I actually have like layers somewhat. That honestly really didn't cut anything. Honestly, like my hair is still long, crazy long. Like, it's still crazy long. This is what my hair actually looked like before I cut it. It's just all one length, all very, very long, as you can see. Now it's about like here. Is this even? Yeah. I'm gonna go in and split my hair in half and cut again, and then kind of, I guess like in front of my ear and just kind of cut again. I want to have more volume, more like layers, just more everything. Honestly, my curls already look a lot better than they did before, so this might not have been a bad idea after all. So what I'm doing right now, I'm splitting my hair in half, and I'm honestly just gonna cut it like a little bit. Don't really think I need to cut much, but, and like when I say I'm cutting the tiniest bit, I am cutting the tiniest bit ever. Pull it down, and we're gonna cut like that much, just a little bit. Just a little bit on this part. I don't really know what that does, but we're just gonna do it. Y'all, the hair is literally slipping out of my hand. If this comes out terrible, I'm blaming TikTok, okay? I'm not blaming myself, I'm blaming TikTok. I follow the rules, I'm blaming TikTok. Oh shit, hold up. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Seen a lot of people do like bangs, but I don't really want that. So they said you could stop, just do 2 cuts. So I'm just gonna stop there. Honestly, if I have to like cut anything else, I will. I just hope I didn't just mess up my hair, because that would be tragic. Tragic. I'm going to do my hair routine like normal and then come back and show you guys the results. Hopefully it looks cute. We will see. All right, bye. All right, so my hair is dry. I don't know how I feel about it right now. It's still very long, like very long. Like my hair was waist length before I cut it. My hair is still waist length now that I've cut it, like, well, after cutting it. So like I don't really understand like how much hair do I need to cut in order for this to actually look good. Like, I don't know, but yeah. So I definitely need to cut my hair again. At least like I'm trying to like fluff it. It looks so like blah. Especially like this part, I still need to cut it. But first of all, my hair is still long. My belly button is right here. Like my hair is still long. I still have length, which I like, but I did kind of want it to be shorter, just a little. I have no clue what the back of my head looks like, so if it looks crazy, I'm only going to see it when I'm editing this video. So yeah, this is the back. Like I said, it's still very long. This is the start of my behind right here. So yeah, I prefer my hair to the front. So yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know, stay tuned for the next video. Say bye. Say bye.